हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, अभिषेक राघव हियर। हम बात कर रहे हैं बेटा ब्रांचेस ऑफ बायोलॉजी के बारे में। इससे पहले दो वीडियोस में तकरीबन 80 ब्रांचेस के बारे में हमने बात करी है। ओके, हम आगे स्टार्ट करते हैं। जो 81st है हमारा, दैट इज फिजियोलॉजी। फिजियोलॉजी is the scientific study of functioning of organs which are present in our body. Okay, next, paleontology. When we study about fossils, that is known as paleontology. Parasitology is the study of parasite which causes disease. Okay, protozoology is the scientific study of protozoans. Next, phylogeny. It is the study of evolutionary relationship between the organism of same group. Okay, next is pedology. When we study about the soil, what is the nature of soil, that is known as pedology. Next is pomology. When we study about fruits, types of fruits, that is known as pomology. Next is phytogeography. Phytogeography, it is the scientific study of plants which are present on the different geographical areas of earth, that is known as phytogeography. Okay, next is pathology. When we talk about pathogens, that is known as pathology. Psychiatry, it is the treatment of mental disorders, that is known as psychiatry. Psychology is the study of human behavior, or we can say human mind, that is known as psychology. Next is phycology. When we study about algae, red algae, green algae, that is known as phycology. Next is photobiology. Photo, it simply means it is related with light. Okay, it is the effect of light on the plants. When we study about that, that is known as photobiology. Next is physiotherapy. It is the treatment of body defects with the help of massage and exercise. Okay, radiology is the study of radiations on the body parts. X-rays, that is a part of radiology because that is used in detecting the different types of disease which can occur in our body. For example, like x-ray हम निकालते हैं bones वगैरह का, okay, to observe the image. Next is rhinology. It is about the study of nose, or simply we can say olfactory organs. Next, syndesmology is the study of tendon and ligaments. Okay, tendon help in attachment of muscle with bone, and ligament help in attachment of bone with bone. Okay, so simply you can learn TMV and LLBB. Okay, serology is the study of blood serum, antigen antibody interactions. Sonography, it is the scientific study of ultrasound imaging. Sorology is the study of lizards. Sphygmology is the study of pulse pressure. Taxonomy is the study of classification of organisms into different groups, okay, on the basis of their characters. Toxicology is the study of different types of toxins, their nature and their effect. Okay, so branches of biology are completed. Now here are some terms which are generally used in our biological field. Okay, first one is apiculture. Apiculture is rearing of honeybee. जो मधुमक्खी हैं उनको पालने को हम कहते हैं एपिकल्चर। एक्वाकल्चर क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? रियरिंग ऑफ एक्वाटिक एनिमल्स। एक्वाटिक एनिमल्स को पालना, उसे हम कहते हैं एक्वाकल्चर। पीसी कल्चर में आ जाता है हमारा रियरिंग ऑफ फिशेस। रियरिंग ऑफ फिशेस। सेरिकल्चर इज रियरिंग ऑफ सिल्कवॉर्म for obtaining silk. Silviculture is the growing of plants from which we get timber, जिनसे हमें टिम्बर मिलता है। और टिम्बर क्या है बेटा? इमारती लकड़ी, यानी ये जो इमारत बनाने के काम में जो लकड़ियां आती हैं हम उसे कहते हैं टिम्बर। सो कल्टीवेशन ऑफ दैट या प्रोडक्शन ऑफ दैट, दैट इज नोन एज सिल्विकल्चर। प्लांट टिश्यू कल्चर सबसे ज्यादा जो इमर्जिंग फील्ड है बायोलॉजी का। ओके, प्लांट टिश्यू कल्चर, growing of large number of plants within a short duration of time in the laboratory. Okay, that is known as plant tissue culture. Hydroponics हमने बात करी थी. Okay, तो प्लांट टिश्यू कल्चर में जो हाइड्रोपोनिक्स टेक्निक है, प्रोसेस है, उसका यूज किया जाता है। ओके, लास्ट आता है वर्मी कल्चर, रियरिंग ऑफ अर्थवॉर्म। रियरिंग ऑफ अर्थवॉर्म किस चीज के लिए? फॉर गेटिंग वर्मी कंपोस्ट। वर्मी कंपोस्ट। ओके, जो मैन्योर है ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग में मोस्टली यूज किया जाता है, वर्मी कंपोस्ट। ओके, तो बेटा ये 3 वीडियोस में हमने कवर की हैं जो ब्रांचेस हैं हमारी, तो तकरीबन 103 के आसपास ब्रांचेस हैं, वी हैव कंप्लीटेड देम। तो प्लीज आप इन सभी वीडियोस को देखें, तीनों वीडियोस को। ओके, थैंक यू।